Hi guys,
Hello.
Svetlana is grinding ginger for our next meal, which will be vegetable curry with a special ingredient, okra. Indeed.
This is our exotic recipe.
So the ingredients that we have is a little bit of ginger, 2 very massive garlic cloves, so you might add 4. Here we have courgette slash zucchini, about 400-500 grams, some onion, and in this mix we have pepper and cherry tomatoes, about half, 60, probably 600 grams. Also we're going to use 1 can of coconut milk. This is jalapeno. It's very, of course, too chilly even for us.
Hot, very hot.
Very hot, so we'll use half of it. And what else? And our special ingredient, okra, 400 grams. I think that's pretty much it. Of course, salt. That's it. So now I will start with the onion. Medium heat. I will just add a little bit of water. I don't want to add oil this time because we will be using the coconut oil, which has fat in it.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, we will use the coconut milk, which has fat in it, so we don't want to make it too fat. This is the ginger, and now the garlic. And now the coconut milk. Such a wonderful smell here coming from this pan. Now I will also add the chili. So this is the finely chopped chili, half of it, because it's quite hot. It needs to thicken a bit, and also these ingredients need to cook. I will also add a little bit of thyme. Not much going on the pan, so I'm switching the action to Svetlana, who is chopping the okra, and you can see all these colorful ingredients that just look lovely.
The onions, garlic, ginger with the coconut milk has been simmering for a couple of minutes. Once you see the onions getting soft, we are adding the other vegetables, zucchini or
Courgettes.
courgette. Yes, always forget this is the English word. I find the American one much easier. And also we've got red peppers, yellow peppers, and a little bit of cherry tomatoes. All of this goes straight into the pot. We need to add a little bit of water, approximately 1 cup of water.
Five minutes later, we can now add the okra. I will now shred a few kefir lime leaves. They always go very well with coconut. You can see all the colors here. It's so lively and it's also very tasty. And the curry is now ready. I'm going to turn the heat off and we'll let it cool down.